feel high. You too sleepy? Oh, look at your eye. You so sleepy.
She's so sleepy.
Oh, she's too drugged.
Way too drugged. She might pee on herself. Ugh. What's that surgery scar? That surgery scar just looks bad. Like, that's not what Lola's surgery scar looked like.
It's not bad at all. They just glued it.
It's just red.
It's glued.
So there's stitches on her feet from the dew claws and
that's glued.
Glue on her stomach.
That's what they did Lola.
Oh my gosh, Lola. Lola.
You're still too high.
Not her fault.
I'd offer you some food, but you just keep it up. It's too high. Grab that thing.
Okay.
Walk out and they don't want to do nothing once you get there.
Hey, come here. No, come back. Ah, you don't even run.
Lola, if you're not going to pee, get your butt to the house.
Oh, don't be like that. Oh my God. Come here.
Lola.
She mad. There's no point. There's no point. The kitties are gone. They're just gone. Wow. Wow there. I'm gonna get you this time. Come here. Stop growling. Bad. No. Get in the house. Lola.
Come on, Lola.
There you go.
You need to go back to sleep then. Look at them eyes. Oh.
Poor thing. I thought she had to stay the night there. So you're taking her to work tomorrow?
Yeah.
I won't be able to see my baby again?
You can't take care of her. Just to be watched.
I can watch her.
No, because you'll make her move around too much.
No, I won't. I won't because she's my daughter.
Take some pies. We'll go back to bed then, okay? We'll try again later, okay? You try again later, maybe you feel like eating. You're way out of it. You're way out of it. You want to do better, but you can't. Okay, do better. Go back to bed. Go back to bed, baby. If you have an accident, that's okay. Just sleep it off. Just sleep it off. Just sleep it off.
Sad. My poor dog. My room is a lot lighter and don't ask about this, but my brother put in another light bulb and it's a yellow one. He's at my mom's house right now and I'm at my grandma's house. And if you were wondering, my parents aren't divorced. They're actually married. They got married last year, 2 years ago. I don't know. Many people say it's amazing how my dad walked back into my life, but I have so many mosquito bites on my legs. But it's like really sad. It's really sad that my dog had to get that surgery. And tomorrow my Nana has to get eye surgery. So the house has to be very quiet. I don't know what's going on with this door. It should be all green or all white, just scratched up white. But what's this? Oh, right. My grandpa said some of the paint fell off, but it was an owl. Like there was an eye here and here. And those are legs. Maybe. I don't know. But, yeah. I won't be uploading for a while because I'm waiting till she gets better to upload videos like this when I'm just recording. And for gotcha life reasons, I am actually like so excited about this mini movie I'm making. Also, did you guys know that Gotcha Life 2, it's coming out on August or September? And I just want to say now because, well, I might not upload on this day. Happy 4th of July. Bye. Bye.